Hello everyone, I'm Major Vel. Welcome to my channel. Today I teach you how to make this women's yoke. It is for all sizes. This yoke is for a jacket, but you can do whatever you want with it. It is a rectangular yoke. It is an XXL size, but you can make it to your measure. Next week the jacket will be complete. In my blog I leave you a small graphic pattern. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. If you liked it, leave me a like and a comment of love. Thank you. I hope you liked it. For this yoke I have used 150 grams wool, 4 mm, 3.5 mm hook. Take the measurement of the contour of your neck, where you want your cleavage. For example, I wanted to make a more open neck because later I am going to put an ornament around it, and it would be too closed for my liking. You can take the measurement wherever you want. You can also make a chain with your wool and take the measure you need. She will tell you the chains you need to start. I have put 120 chains, 55 centimeters or 21.6 inches. Divide the 120 chains into 4 equal parts, and subtract 5 chains in each sleeve. Add those 10 chains to the front and back. This works for all sizes. I have divided it this way. (120 divided by 4 equals 30). Sleeves 25 and 25. Back 36. Front 17 and 17. You know how to start. Now you have to measure the chest contour and the length of the armhole. If you have a size small, medium or large, I recommend that you do the increases of 1 double crochet, or 1 chain, 1 double crochet in each corner. I am big and I need an XXL, and I have increased 1 row with 1 double crochet and in the next 2 double crochet. I have managed to get to the contour of my chest and not add a lot of chains at the junction of the front and back. Regardless of the chains you put, the tutorial is the same. This is a sample. Make a chain with your measure. As I have told you, I have put 120 chains on the yoke. One row. 3 chains. 16 double crochet. This is the front. One chain. $25 double crochet. This is the sleeve. One chain. $36 double crochet. This is the back. One chain. $25 double crochet. This is the sleeve. One chain. $17 double crochet. This is the front. Two row. One slip stitch, two chains. One double crochet on each stitch until you reach the corner. In the corner, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet in the same stitch. This is an increase. 1 double crochet on each stitch until you reach the corner. In the corner, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat the sequence until the end of the row. 3 row, 1 slip stitch, 2 chains, one double crochet on each stitch until you reach the corner. In the corner, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. One double crochet on each stitch until you reach the corner. If you have a size, small, medium or large, I recommend that you do the increases of 1 double crochet, or 1 chain, 1 double crochet in each corner. In the corner, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat row 2 and 3 if your size is XXL or more. If your size is smaller, repeat only row 2. chest contour measures 125 centimeters or 42.2. Armhole 29 centimeters or 11.4 inches. To join the front with the back. Work the front until you reach the corner. Here you have two options. Jump the sleeve directly or make chains to get to the measurement of the chest contour. On the other side, do the same. Next week will be over. But this tutorial can help you do anything. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much for seeing me. See you in the next tutorial.